Argylle is...
It's pretty crazy.
Mind-blowing.
Smart, sexy.
It's called reality, but it's Matthew Vaughn, so it's a heightened reality.
You can't always understand the madness of Matthew Vaughn. You just have to go with it.
It's an interesting mix of reality and fantasy to reinvent everything you think you know about spy movies.
The greater the spy, the bigger the lie.
There's always a surprise. There's always lots of excitement.
It's wild. Anything can happen.
Trust me.
Definitely unexpected.
It's gonna be slightly mad.
Watch this. And it's nonstop.
Wherever you think this movie is going,
I love this book.
you are wrong.
It's time for you to meet the real Agent Argylle.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Agent Argylle.
I certainly hope you dance as well as you dress.
There's only one way to find out.
You and I, we're not so different. Agent Argylle.
Little help? Hold on.
The book is phenomenal, sweetie, but... What happens next?
It's called a cliffhanger, Mother.
Elly, it's called a cop-out.
Whoa, hey! There's a cat in there. Oh my God, you're Elly freaking Conway.
Author of Argylle series, Elly Conway!
I am such a fan.
Oh yeah? What is it you do?
Espionage.
Would you sign my book?
Here we go. I love this book. Come on.
Who are these people?
Real life spies.
Why would they care about me?
Because you're a goddamn fortune teller, Elly. What you wrote in your new book actually happened, and you kicked a hornet's nest you didn't even know existed.
I'm in some really big trouble, Mom.
Oh, so now you're experimenting with drugs.
I want all assets on them now. I need her to write the next chapter.
God, I hate that cat.
It's time for you to meet the real Agent Argylle.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my